President Biden isn't the only member of his cabinet on the road. The U.S. Secretary of Education stopped in Omaha today, highlighting what is working and what needs to be done to help students and educators, as Molly Hudson reports.
Academies and Pathways center stage at Bryan High School just hours after President Biden's State of the Union address.
Today I'm seeing an example of what we need to see across the country to make sure we can meet the demand for those high-skilled, high-paying jobs.
U.S. Education Secretary Miguel Cardona toured 3 of the pathways, seeing construction, the greenhouse and animals, as well as transportation and supply education.
I'm seeing career pathways that are connected to employers. I'm seeing students having internship opportunities here, much more than many of the schools I visited.
And he met students in these programs, asking them what they wanted him to take back to D.C.
Actually being able to show them real-world skills, you know, helping them grow, helping them, at the end of the 4 years, looking back saying, I learned this, and this will be able to help me in my future and be a better person.
From kids to adults, Secretary Cardona's visit didn't stop at Bryan High School.
To do this well, it's not about the children, it's about the adults. It's about the systems.
He made his way to ESU 3 to discuss what mental health services need to look like in schools today, especially in rural communities.
We have a national youth health, mental health crisis. It's not a luxury. It never was a luxury. If a kid is hungry, you feed them. If they're not well emotionally, you treat that. Their bandwidth for learning is diminished if they're not well.
Professional development, focusing on the whole child, creating a sustainable culture.
It's not just about academics, it's not about just food, it's not about PE, it's about the whole child, which is their mental health. And it comes back to what you're talking about. It comes back to time to learn and time to train.
Showcasing the work that is being done in Nebraska.
One way I've worked to empower my staff is making sure that that time and space is there. Reminding administrators that if you walk in to watch a math lesson and instead they're reteaching what it looks like to be a friend, that's what needs to be done at that moment.
And the work that is needed.
And if we're comfortable, and if everybody's comfortable, it's because we're not pushing hard enough.
In Omaha, Molly Hudson, 3 News Now.